In the summer of 2016, we brought in wild fish to our University of Miami Experimental Hatchery, and we actually tagged these fish with pop-up satellite archival tags. The main reason for doing this was to look at their behavior around spawning time and to see if we could use the information from the tags at the time of spawning to understand more about when these fish are spawning in the wild. So the next step after that was to tag fish in the wild. In 2017, we went out on our University of Miami research boat, the RV Walton Smith, and we tagged 9 Mahi, and from that we're able to look at where these fish are moving, what temperatures and depths they're at, and also from that acceleration data when they're likely to be spawning in the wild. This is all leading up to our big experiment this summer of 2018. We're going to be taking that same research vessel to the Gulf of Mexico this time, where the Deepwater Horizon oil spill happened in 2010. One thing we want to be careful of with these tags, they give us a ton of extremely valuable information, but we also want to be sure that we're not biasing those results by these tags causing stress or altering the behavior of these fish. Some of these tags, they are a bit larger, so they do cause some drag when the fish is swimming through the water. We want to make sure that that's not stressing these fish in any additional way.
As we approach the cruise this summer, we need to conduct further research to understand exactly what the cost of tagging a mahi, then releasing it back into the wild, will be. University of Miami Experimental Hatchery is a very unique place. Not only are we able to access mahi at various life stages, but we're able to do so and collect a large number of replicas. Next step for research regarding the tags is to use small fish of about 25 centimeters apiece and miniature satellite tags. We're going to do a two-part experiment to determine the metabolic and behavioral costs associated with carrying a tag. The first part of the experiment is going to involve swim tunnel respirometry. We're going to use our small fish and miniature tags to compare the straight line swimming speed and the cost of maintaining swimming speed on tagged versus untagged fish. The second part of the experiment will be a bit more complex. We're going to tag 10 of our small fish and place them in a tank with 10 untagged fish of the same size. We're then going to use video analysis software to compare various movement parameters such as acceleration and turning radius. We're going to take these measurements during spontaneous activity and during specific activities like feeding.